function is normal. This is Anby Damara, a member of the odd job agency, the Cunning Hares. I don't have a carrot or proxy support. I will be making a voice log of my experience. Let it serve as evidence for Anby's Hollow Survival Log number 1. In the case I am killed or turned into a monster by the ether. Anby's Hollow Survival Log number 1. From my surroundings, I can confirm this is the old Metro Junction area of the Cretan Hollow. The Metro Hollow's terrain is inherently complex. My chances of being rescued will be reduced by 37.8% if I don't consider my next step carefully. If anyone doubts the nature of the Hollow's spatial distortions, please use my recording as proof of their danger. Please don't enter a Hollow unless you are a professional investigator. Otherwise...
There you are, Anby! Great! I knew you'd be okay! Whoa! Hey! What's gotten into you? You almost cut me!
I've met another being of reason. He looks a lot like my colleague, Billy Kidd.
What are you talking about? It's me! Billy!
An investigator has previously encountered ethereals who can mimic human speech and behavior. The investigator rescued the ethereal pretending to be their teammate, but once they got out of the Hollow, it revealed itself. The city made a huge sacrifice, but it was unable to defeat the monster. It was only thanks to a courageous investigator who gave his life to drive the monster back into the Hollow that the danger was averted.
Come on, the ethereal would be done for the minute it left the Hollow. Wait, isn't that the plot of that movie that was in theaters not long ago?
There was a long list of victims involved in the incident. I read all their names.
That's called a cast list!
Question: who would you most like to have dinner with?
Huh? Dinner? Of course. That'd be the big screen superheroes! The Starlight Knights! Wait! Put your blade down! I'll tell you! It's really the late-night drama actress from... Oh, sweetie. Monica.
All cleared. The individual has been confirmed as the real Billy Kidd. Meeting Billy Kidd increases my chances of survival by over 67.8%. I'm glad you're okay, Billy.
I told you I'm me! It's been a while since we fell. We can't contact Nicole from inside of the Hollow, but I'm sure she's coming up with a plan. But will she be willing to pay for a rescue crew? You know what Nicole's like.
Based on Nicole's tight-fisted spending habits, I'd say your original analysis is likely correct.
Damn. Now you've got me worried. Let's not get carried away. We have to work together to get through this. As usual, You take the front, and I'll provide fire support from behind.
Right.
That's right.
Chop chop. Which one?
You. Copy that.
My heart rests a little easier whenever you're around, Ambi.
Same for you. Time to act.
In my sights! Stay focused!
Keep on. It's up to standing by.
Leave it to Billy!
Billy, go do some repairs.
Let's switch, Ambi! Don't move! Hey! In my sights! Chop chop!
Fracture. Time to act.
Whoa! Barely missed me.
It's got a sword for a hand. Watch out.
Its flashes also have a wide range! You rang? Careful!
Copy that. Be gone. It's up to you.
Let's clear him out! It's showtime! Billy time! Envy, I'll cover you!
Moving up. Fracture. Tendril.
Feel the ultimate starlight! He's recovered? Is his ether activity still increasing?
Keep up the attack.
Nah, we don't have the firepower to fight for long. Let's bounce.
We're returning now to 14th Street, where an explosion occurred on one of the upper floors of a residential building, shortly after the appearance of a companion hollow.